Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively. To truly grasp scientific concepts, active learning is paramount. Don't just read, interact with the material. Try summarizing each section in your own words immediately after reading it. This helps solidify the information in your mind and highlights areas you might need to revisit. Make sure you're not passively absorbing, but actively constructing your knowledge. Consistent practice is crucial for success in science. Regularly work through all the practice problems provided in your textbook and by your teacher. Don't just look at the answers. Try to solve them independently first. For labs, focus on understanding the why behind each step and how the results support or refute hypotheses. This hands-on approach builds a deeper, more practical understanding of scientific principles. Collaboration can significantly enhance your learning. Joining a study group allows you to discuss difficult concepts, hear different perspectives, and even teach material to others, which is a powerful way to reinforce your own knowledge. Beyond group work, establish a consistent review schedule. Don't cram. Instead, revisit your notes and textbook chapters weekly to keep the information fresh and prevent forgetting. Don't hesitate to seek help when you're struggling. Your teacher is your best resource, so ask questions during class or office hours. Staying organized is also key. Keep all your notes, handouts, and assignments neatly filed so you can easily find what you need for review. And for those who love to learn on the go, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading textbooks or scientific articles anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.